A narcissist is a term used to describe someone who is self-centered or vain. Many people are unaware that narcissism, also known as narcissistic personality disorder, is a serious mental illness. Others may perceive you as just concerned with your wants and needs or having an overwhelming appetite for compliments if you have been diagnosed with NPD. However, you may feel uncomfortable, incompetent, and empty on the inside. It is difficult to relate to people or have true self-worth when you have NPD. It can have an impact on your relationships with family, friends, and co-workers. People with narcissistic personality disorder are highly reluctant to change their behavior, even when it is causing them issues. They have a tendency to place blame on others. Furthermore, they are highly sensitive and respond negatively to even minor criticism, arguments, or perceived slights, which they see as personal attacks. It is frequently easier for the people in the narcissist's life to just agree with their demand in order to escape the coldness and rages. However, by learning more about narcissistic personality disorder, you will be able to identify narcissists in your life, defend yourself from their power plays, and set healthy boundaries. Experts believe that up to 5% of the population suffers from NPD. People with this disorder think, feel, and act in ways that are harmful to themselves or others. Symptoms of narcissistic personality disorder. The following are typical characteristics of people with NPD: arrogant, self-centered, demanding. They frequently have strong self-esteem and feel they are better or unique in comparison to others. They do, however, seem to need a lot of praise and appreciation, and they might be sensitive to criticism. Narcissists also have a tendency to exaggerate their own abilities and successes while downplaying others. Power, prosperity, and beauty are generally on their minds. NPD has several characteristics that are comparable to confidence. However, healthy confidence and NPD are not the same thing. Persons with strong self-esteem are typically humble, but people with NPD are rarely so. They have a tendency to put themselves on a pedestal and think of themselves as superior to others. NPD usually appears in early adulthood. Because it goes against their self-image, people with this disorder may not realize they have a problem. If you experience any of the following symptoms, you may have NPD. Others avoid you because you come out as arrogant and boastful. When things don't go your way, you feel dissatisfied, furious, and confused. You have ongoing issues with work, school, relationships, finances, alcohol, drugs. If this video was helpful, please leave a like on this video and subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this.